Good morning, children. Jayadash here. Today we'll do the last part of revision from congruence triangle. Exercise that is 7.2 congruence triangle. Question number 9 and question number 10 we will do today. If triangle ABC and triangle PQR are to be congruent, name one additional pair of corresponding parts. Name one pair of additional pair of corresponding parts. After that, what criterion did you use? See, in these two triangles, two right triangles are given here. Here, angle ABC and PQR. In triangle ABC, B is 90 degree, and here Q is also 90 degree. And it is given that angle C is equal to angle R. But these are not sufficient source to complete the criteria, to complete the congruence criteria. You need another criteria also, another point also to make the congruence criteria complete. So what you need, it is given that okay, I am first in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, statement and reason you have to write in this way. Now here what is given here, in triangle ABC and PQR, angle ABC equal to angle PQR 90 degree each given. Now angle C also equal to angle R, it is also given. So angle BCA equal to angle QRP, this is also given. Now point 1 and 2 points I have got, but I need another point. As I can see that two angles are very nearer to each other, and it is given, and one including side is left here. If I take BC is equal to QR, then we can use angle side angle criteria easily. Okay, so take this extra pair which will help us to prove the congruence criteria. So take BC. For third point, I am taking BC is equal to QR. They have told that name one extra additional pair. So it is extra additional pair. Additional pair which you have taken. Which you have taken here. Then we can say that therefore for the which criterion did you use? Therefore we can say that triangle ABC congruent triangle PQR. Now which criteria? If I take this one is equal to this one, then see which criteria you are using. Angle side angle, angle side angle, angle side angle, clockwise or anti-clockwise. The criteria is angle side angle criterion. Understood? Then according to the question, which these two triangles are given, only 2 points are given to prove the congruence criteria. We have to need another additional pair which we have taken as BC is equal to QR, and after taking this we can use these two triangles. We can prove that triangle ABC congruent triangle PQR by using SAS criterion. Understood? Come to the next question. By using ASA criterion. Come to the next question. Explain why ABC congruent to FED. But what is given here? You see, angle ABC, angle DEF are two triangles where angle A is equal to angle F and angle B is equal to angle E given, and side BC is equal to side EF. This is not the congruence criteria. Side angle, angle is not the criterion. Angle, angle, side also not the criterion. So we have to use congruence criterion by using which we can show that triangle ABC congruent triangle APD. Now we will use the angle sum property of a triangle. You know that as sum of the three angles of a triangle angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So we can write that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 90 degree, 180 degree. A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree, and angle D plus angle E plus angle F also, angle F plus angle E plus angle D is equal to 180 degree. Therefore we can write that, therefore angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to angle F plus angle E plus angle D. That means this sum of this portion is also 180 degree and sum of this portion also 180 degree. So what can I do? As angle A is equal to angle F, so I am cancelling these two values, and also angle B is equal to angle E, both are 90 degrees. So we can prove that angle C is equal to angle D. Now we have to prove that this angle now become same as angle this. Now how to prove these two triangles are congruent? Now in triangle ABC and DEF, we have already get that angle C and equal to angle D here. So we have to make the congruent statement complete the congruent statement. What we will do? Angle B is equal to angle E. It is given. Angle side BC is equal to DE. BC from this triangle is equal to DE. It is also given. Now just now we have proved that angle C is equal to angle D. Just now proved. So it is proved before or above. Therefore these two triangles, triangle ABC congruent triangle DEF. By which criteria we are using now? Angle side angle, angle side angle. We are not using this one because no need to use this. For proving this angle side angle criteria, we can write the triangle ABC congruent triangle DEF by angle side angle criterion. Understood? Thank you, students.